Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm just caught up with Gino, and he's over there with Adam, and they're getting ready to install this Dexter EZ Flex kit. And what I wanted to show you, this is on a smaller axle. It's actually going to be put on a Transcend, and I'll go up there and videotape that. So that's the part number. It's a K71652-00. And what this kit, is designed for is, instead of your normal rocking of the equalizer, it actually pivots, because it's two separate pieces. And so as you can see, here's your grease zerks, which you normally don't have on an equalizer. These two pieces independently pivot, which dampens the vibration and the load and the G-forces on the trailer once it's installed. And then if you've seen any of our previous videos where we talk about both these and we talk about the shackle links, the shackle links are significantly thicker. They're usually about 2.5 times thicker than a standard shackle link. And then these are all wet bolts. So what he's doing is he's just laying out all his parts from the kit, and making sure that everything's perfect before he goes and puts it on. The other thing he's getting ready to do too comes with, of course, all the U-bolts. Whenever you take the axles down, you take the springs apart, it's always recommended to replace all the U-bolts. He's getting ready to drive out the nylon bushings out of these new leaf springs. So the leaf springs, when he was doing his inspection, he found that the leaf springs were, pretty much going bad. The bushings were bad. The leaves itself were expanded. So I'm going to go walk you out to the unit real quick, and we're going to take a quick look at it. There's another Grand Design Solitude that we're doing with some cracks and stuff in it. Okay, so here we are at the Transcend, and I'm not sure what year this one is, so let's go find out. This is a 2010 of 2021, so it's going to be a 22. And so on this Transcend, the guys have dropped the axles down, and basically they're getting ready to, replace all those leaf springs and install that new suspension system. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and we will get back to you. But if you haven't looked at any of our prior videos on the Dexter EZ Flex kit, I encourage you to do so. That makes a huge difference. This is a smaller trailer, so we wouldn't recommend going with a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit. But with this unit, the lightweight of it and whatnot, if you're going to be, if you're going to go all over the United States, then I'd say maybe do it. But if you're just going to do the, standard, stay close, a couple states away, this will be way more than enough for you. So, okay, and then that also is propane line that they have to disconnect too. So, anyways, we will talk to you soon, or not disconnect, but drop it out of the way when they're working. So, all right, so stay in touch. And if you haven't already joined our Grand Design Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin, we encourage you to do so. That's where we're taking pictures and information like this, whether we're working on somebody's unit or doing an update for them so they can see what's going on. And it's kind of cool, it gives you a little history of like, hey, when did they do that, and what did they do and what parts did they put on. So, all right, well, thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.